Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are the Good Cholesterol, the only channel that's good for your heart. Today, I'm going to show you how to create and host your Minecraft server using Docker. For those of you who are watching this video, it does not require any prior programming skill. And I will explain the steps in as much detail as possible. But if you already are familiar with Docker, that's great. So Docker is an application that can host virtualized containers. Think of it as a tiny machine that is light and only does the task you want it to be dedicated for. Why should I use Docker? Well, the Minecraft server requires Java installation prior, which can be a pain sometimes. When you want to run the server, you need to have the GUI open. Or if you're running it from a terminal, you need to leave that open as well. There are ways to run it in the background in the terminal, but it will be hard to manage once you close the tab. Sometimes maybe you want to host multiple worlds, a world for yourself and one for you and your friends. For the multiple world setup, I will introduce another video to go through the steps, so please stay tuned. Alright, let's get started. First, go to www.docker.com. Install Docker following the instructions. It's quick and easy and support multiple platforms, including Mac and Windows. Once Docker is installed, you can view the dashboard by clicking the icon on the taskbar. Now you can see the actual interface for the Docker. We'll get back to this in a bit. Now let's create a folder where you want to host your server. This is where the world will be. Now download the Minecraft server from the website. Put it inside of that folder. Now you can see the server.jar file is in the demo folder. So here I'm using VS Code, but you can choose any text editing software of your liking. And make sure you are inside of the demo folder. Now we have all the setup complete. We'll create a new file named docker-compose.yaml. This is just a configuration file for your Minecraft server container. Alright, the version is 3.8, and we're going to add services. Make sure you use tab instead of spaces here. I'm going to name the service Minecraft. The image, we're going to use set machine :latest. And ports, we'll be using the default 25565. The second 2.565 was the port that we want to map to for external access. Now we are going to define the volumes. This is how the data is persisted. So //:app, that's the folder we're going to put all the Minecraft files into, and the container name is Minecraft. Command, we're going to do sh space -c, and then put everything in quote, cd /app java xmx. That's 2 gigabytes for maximum, and then 1 gigabyte for minimum. And then -char server.jar and no GUI. They're going to set stdin open to true and tty to true as well. Let's open the terminal and navigate to the demo folder. And here, let's type docker-compose space up space -d. This is to spin up the Docker containers and let them run in the detached mode. We don't need to know the details here, but basically this is just to kick off the container and start running the server. After the command is executed, let's take a look at the dashboard of the Docker. It looks like the container says exited, and looks like this is because you need to set the agreement for the EULA. And if you go back to the folder, there should be a EULA.txt file. We just need to change the false to true here and save the file. All we need to do is rerun the container. And now it is running. And you can see that the files are generated and the server is spinning up the world. Alright, the world is completed. Let's open the Minecraft client and test out the game. Alright, now you have the server up and running with Docker. If you want to share your Minecraft server with your friends who aren't using the same network as you can set up the port forwarding on your router, which I will cover in a future video. But thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful to you, please click like and subscribe below to stay up to date with the rest of our videos, and I will see you next time. Bye.